Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. So let's start our topic today. Okay, what we will learn. Okay, here we have last time we finished question number one, that is generating sequence 2.2 exercise. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this all. Okay, now today we will discuss our next questions. Question number two, question number three. Okay, so first of all, here in this exercise we will discuss about patterns. So what are patterns? How we solve this? How we get a new number? So all these things we will learn here. Now, here he said this pattern is made up of from squares. Okay, these are the squares you can see. The first one is 5, then 8, then 11. So how many they add? Each time they add 3. Okay, so draw the next two patterns. So here is 11. 11 plus 3, 14. Okay, so next is 14 plus 3, 17. Okay, so same like that. So your next two patterns you can draw like that. Okay, so here are the pictures. Okay, now he is adding three more in 11. So here is 13, sorry, 14, and here he add three more, that is equal to 17. Okay, so next step is you can complete your table. Okay, so here you write 14 and here you write 17. Now likewise, what you do next? Yes. So here he said the term to term rule. What is your term to term rule? That is you're adding 3. Okay, so we are adding 3 each time. So we will get next number. And the last part is how many squares will there be in its pattern. Okay, so same like that. If you want to know how many pattern that we have, so for this reason, in other words, he want to ask us about the position to term rule. So the easy way how to solve position to term rule, let me show you how to solve. If he say position to term rule, so first of all you write here term, sorry, term. Okay, that is equal to, okay, first of all, how many you add? Term to term rule. What is your term to term rule? Okay, that is 3. Okay, so you multiply this 3 with position. Yes. Position mean these are the position numbers. Okay, here are the position number. So this position I write here 3, that is term to term rule. Okay, now the first position is 1, so 1, and here is 3. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. Okay, so how many we add to make this number of squares? That is 5, that is plus 2. Okay, so like this, if you want to know how many 8 pattern have, okay, for the pattern number 8 have how many sequence? So the same number I put here, okay, to get the my answer, like eighth term, eighth pattern. Here I write eighth pattern equal to, so 3 multiplied by 8, 24 plus 2, 26. So I have my eighth pattern is 26. Okay, so yes, now here same like this I'm solving 10th pattern. So 10th pattern is equal to 3 multiplied by 10 plus 2, that is equal to 32. So here is my 10th pattern. So 10th pattern that has 32 and 8th pattern that has 26. Now let's see its answer. Look at here, 26 and 32. Okay, so question number 3, the pattern is made from the blue triangles. Okay, draw the next two patterns of the sequence. Okay, here he shows the first one is 2. Okay, the next one is how many we added? 6. Okay, so he's adding 4 each time. Okay, so first of all, let me erase the above. Now we will start writing this one. So if first one is the first one have 2, so next one have 6, The last one has 10. Okay, and how many they have in the next one? That is 14, because each time we are adding 4. And then last is 18. Let me write here 18. Okay, so here is our pattern. Okay, so here the next two is we draw the squares like that. Okay, but the 14 draw here, I will show you later on, and the last one is 18. So what is the term to term rule is add 4. Add 4. Okay, now here I write add 4. So he say how many blue triangles will be there in 10th pattern. So it's mean you just find pattern. Okay, nth mean because we don't know, so we write a nth term, that is equal to any number here that you write here, like 4. 4 multiplied by position, or 4 multiplied by 1, 4, and here is 2. So what I do next, I just divide by 2. Okay, so it's 4. So same like this, 4 multiplied to 8. It's not divided by 2, minus 2. Minus 2. Okay, so here you can see 4 multiplied by 1, 4, minus 2, 2. 4 multiplied by 2, 8, minus 2, 6. 4 multiplied by 3, 12, minus 2, 10. Okay, so this formula is correct. Okay, now here I just put this now here. Yes, so if I put here 10, 10, 4 multiplied by 10, 40, minus 2, 38. So 10th term is 38. Now same this 15th pattern, 15 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 16. 16 minus 2, 58. Here is my answer. Okay, so same like that you were solving this all. Now let's move. Let me show you the answers. Look at here. So here he just add more. So he just add these 4 to make it 14. And here he just add 4 in 14. He add more 4 to make it 18. So the sequence is same: 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, 10, 14, and 18. And the answer is add 4. We write a add 4. Next is 38 and 58. I write a 38 and 58. Now question number 4. Here we have Jacob is using a dot of the draw sequence of the pattern. He spelled the tomato sauce, okay, over the first, yes, over the first and third pattern. Okay, so draw the first sequence. Okay, now here we have how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we have how many numbers? Let me write here. Here we have 5, and here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Here we have 9. Okay, so in between this, I hope there is must be 7, because each time he's adding 2, and here must be 3. Okay, so the pattern number third have 7, because each time he's adding some numbers. So 5 and 9, the middle number is 7. Okay, because 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. Okay, so we are dividing equally. Okay, so it must be 7. Draw the first and the third pattern of the would be done this. How many dots will there be in the 7th pattern? So it's mean the term to term rule is add 2. Okay, so he said what is your position to term rule? Nth. One, just a moment. Equal to what? Any number that you write here, and 2 multiplied by position. Okay, okay, 2 multiplied by 1, 2 plus, but here is 3. So how many we have to make it? 3 plus 1. Okay, so here that is my formula. So now he said 7th pattern. Okay, he want to know what is the 7th pattern. So 7 multiplied by 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So the answer is 15. So here I write 15. Okay. Now question number 5 is Harsha and Jack are looking for the sequence of the pattern made from squares. Okay. So the first number is 5, 7, 9, and each time they are adding 2 and 2 and 2. Okay. So and 11. So let me check. Now here Harsha said that Jack said there are, I think there are 43 squares in the pattern, okay, in pattern 20, because I multiply the pattern, okay, by 2 and add 3. Okay, I always get the numbers of the squares like 43. So but Harsha said that I think there are 22 squares in a pattern, because in 20th pattern, because the pattern is going to be 2 each times. Okay, so 20 plus 2, that is equal to 22. Okay, so let's check who is correct and who is wrong. Okay, first of all, you know that he's adding 2 each time, so the term to term rule is add 2. Okay, now we find position to term rule for the whole number, nth term, that is equal to 2 multiplied by position. Okay, 2 multiplied by 1, 2, plus how many we have to make it 3, that is 3 to make it 5. Okay, so here is a 20, 20 multiplied by 2, 40, 40 plus 3, 43. So who is right? Jack is right. Okay, so you just write here Jack is the correct. Okay, so let's see the either we are right or wrong. Let's see here. Yes, 43 is the right answer. Okay, the Jack is the right, because we find position to term rule. With the help of this we will find. And here above that, we write here is like here is 3, first term is 3 and other is 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, so here 3 and here is 7. Okay, now let's erase this and let's move on to the next topic, that is representing the simple function. What is function? This is a function machine that you can see on your slides. Like the function machine is the relationship between the two set of the number. Okay, so the function machine can show the function machine like this, like 2 you are adding 3, so what is your answer? 5. 4 plus 3, the answer is 7. 5 plus 3, answer is 8. So this is called function machine. Maybe I give you, I just remove this. So you just tell me how many I add to make it. Let's suppose 2 and here is 5. So how many we add or subtract to make it 5? 2 plus 3, that is make it 5. So same like this, not only check first one, also check the other two. If all give the same answer, so it's meant that is your right answer. Okay, so with the help of this you are also draw the mapping diagram. Mapping diagram is same like that. Okay, so any number that you have here, 2, 4 and 6, answer of 2 is 5. So what you do here is 2, so you just put the same number, you draw the line towards your answer. Okay, same like that. Here is 4, answer is 7, so you write 4 to 7. 5 to 8, so you write here 5 to 8. So like this you are solving this. Okay, this is called map diagram. Okay, mapping diagram. We can say 2 map to 5, because this line is called map. 2 map to 5, 4 map to 7, and CS 5 map to 8. Now here we have our first example, like 1 multiplied by 2, here write 2. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. Okay, and 10, because we are moving backwards, so opposite of 10 is divide. Okay, so 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 5. So here write 5, here write 2, and here write 6. Okay, so here as it is, he write here. Okay, whenever you are moving from forward to backward, so you are doing the opposite steps. Okay, anything you must check opposite of, because you're moving opposite, so opposite of 2 is multiply is divide. Okay, so like same like this. So 1 map to 2, 3 map to 6, 4 5 map to 10. Okay, so you just write like that. Here we have a first question. So only first question we solve today, and the next questions we will do in our next exercise. So here copy this function machine and work out the missing input and output. So what we will do here, first of all, 2 plus 7, that is 9, 5 plus 7 equal to 12, and here is 16, but here is plus. We are moving backward, so opposite of plus is minus. 16 minus 7, that is equal to 9. So here you write 9. Okay, so I will also show you the answers. Look at here. No, we don't have, sorry. So the answer of this question, as I told you, here I write. Okay, here is 9, here is 12, and this we are moving backward, so it's equal to 9. Okay, so likewise we are solving the other parts, like 7 minus 5, 2. Okay, so here is minus, so 10, so we are moving backward, so here minus 5, so we say plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 15 minus 5, 10. Okay, so here same, 4 minus, also he say Mr. Okay, it's just for function machine. 4 multiplied by 3, 12. Down is 5 multiplied by 3, 15. And 10 divided by, because we are moving backward, it's equal to 10. 8 divided by 2, 4. And here is divide, so we write here multiply. 6 multiplied by 2, 12. And 9 multiplied by 2, 18. Here write 18. I hope all of you understood all these things. So if you have any questions related to this topic, so feel free to ask me anytime. Okay, take care class. Goodbye. So see you in the next class. Thank you.